we use generative AI models to enrich our package data. And if something is wrong there, for instance, the material or something, we can get a thumbs up or thumbs down from our users and keep iterating the predictions.
So were there any point in time that you had that epiphany of, wow, AI can unleash superpowers, AI can really add value?
So definitely. So we had this point last year when we saw this Google Orgs Impact Challenge that went out. So we sat down in our team trying to define the project scope and apply with that for the challenge. And during those sessions, we were really trying to think big, because that was what we were thinking, the only way of having a chance of winning this huge thing. So we asked ourselves the question, like, what if we could be able to scan and detect all kinds of packages all around the world? And by then, it was very much like a vision, a dream, like, is this even going to be possible? But when we then got the grant a few months later, that was sort of the first indication that Google must believe that this is possible, otherwise we wouldn't have gotten admitted. So that was the first evidence of it potentially that it could be working. And then now, 6 months later, we're into the project, scanning and detecting packages all around the world.
So during this journey, has there been a time where you felt AI really can come with superpowers that you didn't think was possible?
So definitely with the finalizing of the project that we've been having now in collaboration with Google, it's become really like black and white what AI can do for us. And just because it went live actually yesterday, and we were trying it out and scanning or taking photos of packages that don't have a barcode, and it could tell us what it was, and it's beyond what we thought would be possible.
So you have a bold ambition that by 2027 you will have achieved a self-learning market. What does achieving a self-learning market mean, and how are you going to reach that quite audacious ambition?
So the reason why it's important is because we want to go global, and we want to put the value on all packages all around the world. So for that, we need to have a self-learning system that can sort of make sure that the package data and the data around recycling bins, that can sort of build itself up without too much manual input from our side. And what's making that even possible for us is the collaboration between generative AI models and our users. So we're very blessed to have a very loyal user base that is very keen on helping us. So we're using that user-generated feedback to improve the predictions of the generative AI models.
That is really cool. Can you give an example of what you have adjusted based on the feedback from your users?
So, for instance, we have, we use generative AI models to enrich our package data. And if something is wrong there, for instance, the material or something, we can get a thumbs up or thumbs down from our users and keep iterating the predictions.
You have built your solution on the Google Cloud platform.
Yes.
Walk me through a little bit about why you choose to go Google Cloud for Bauer.
So that was due to the free credits that we received as part of a startup program, I think it was. And money is of greatest importance for a startup. So that was one of the main parameters, but it's really proven to be a great choice. And when talking to our head of engineering, it's really been obvious that Google Cloud has become this great partner to us in supporting us, also with technical engineering support, and just finding or helping us find different solutions to the problems that we're facing. So he's very much like happy with the choice that we made with the going with Google Cloud.